Okay, so we've got the same functions as last time. What is the domain of the quotient? So let's take a moment to work out what the quotient is. So the function g over f x, what is that? So this by definition of gx divided by fx. So what's this equal to? So this would be 1 over x squared minus 1 on top, divided by square root. Okay. So what's this equal to? Let's kind of simplify this a little bit. This comes out to be 1 over x squared minus 1 root x. This one's quite difficult, this question. So what's the issues? Well, there are kind of two issues. First of all, we can't be taking square roots of negative numbers. Next, we can't be dividing through by 0. So basically, the two things we've got to be aware of are, well, first of all, root x. So we need the following. We need this to be greater than 0. So that implies x has to be strictly bigger than 0. So I can't divide through by 0. The square root's always non-negative, of course, because by definition it's the positive of the two square roots. So we need that. But also x squared minus 1 can't equal 0. So this implies that, well, x squared can't equal 1. So that means x can't equal plus or minus 1. So taken together, what have we got? It's got to be positive, and it can't be equal to plus or minus 1. Well, the minus 1's irrelevant. It's the plus 1 that matters. So the domain is going to be equal to 0 to 1, not including 1, because you'd be dividing through by 0, 1 off to infinity. So again, quite a tricky example. Domains are not very easy things to deal with, but it's kind of a precursor to the more complicated examples we'll look at later in the course.